In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a resume to your Wix website. Whether you're creating a portfolio site or setting up a professional online presence, having your resume easily accessible is a fantastic way to highlight your qualifications to potential employers or clients. Let's dive into the process, step by step. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard. This is where the magic begins. If you're not familiar with the dashboard, think of it as your homepage for managing all aspects of your Wix projects. Make sure you're on the right site. If not, switch to the correct one. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Edit Site option and click on it to open the Wix editor. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to add a new element to your site. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a plus add button, usually represented by a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. A panel will appear displaying a variety of options you can choose to enhance your site. For our purpose, you need to scroll until you find the button option. Once you've located it, hover over it, and you will see an option called Document Button. This is what we'll use to add your resume. Click on Document Button and drag it to the desired section of your web page. With the Document button now placed on your site, you have to link it to the actual resume file. To do this, click on the newly added button and look for the Choose File option that appears. This is where you'll select your PDF resume file. Next, click on Upload Media. This opens a window where you can choose to either select files from your existing media library or upload a new one directly from your computer. Since we're adding your resume and assuming it's already saved on your computer, click on Upload from Computer. Navigate through your files to locate the resume, select it, and confirm the upload. After your file is uploaded, find your resume in the list of uploaded items. Click on it. This action effectively selects it to be used with the button you placed earlier. Next, hit the Choose File button. This links your resume to the Document button you added to your web page. Ensure everything looks right and that the button links correctly by previewing your site. Make sure it opens the resume file as expected when clicked. And there you have it. Your resume is now part of your Wix site. This feature makes it simple for prospective employers or contacts to download and review your resume with just a click. Remember, always save your work before exiting the editor. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you showcase your professional skills online effectively.